SEMA is not just a name, it is almost like a verb. It's an action.
We're here at the 2024 SEMA Show. I'm Mike Spagnola, President and CEO of SEMA. 1.2 million square feet of manufacturers, over 2,400 manufacturers here at the show this year, 160,000 people in total.
We had an amazing breakfast kickoff morning. The cars are great. The people are even bigger. Either Fawn Gittin Jr., Drifters, Rippers, Gripper, Chris Jacobs, Jay Leno, so many amazing people. The cars are obviously the stars, but the people make the cars go.
It's really about innovation. It's really about buyers and sellers coming together, all of us celebrating this car culture.
It's just such a special place to engage with our industry and keep moving forward.
That's what it is, man. It's a platform to meet people, network, and then if you're lucky enough, you can somehow or another do something like this. And I still can't believe that we were able to.
What is SEMA? Oh my gosh, can you do that in the amount of time we have? SEMA is for anybody who even remotely thinks that cars are cool, whether it's the engines or the electric, vehicles, or you think tires and wheels are the best thing ever. There's something for everybody here, so no matter what it is that you like about cars, if you're passionate about anything in any way, you're gonna find it. There's something for everyone here.
SEMA to me is filled with versatility and dynamic builds and people and products.
I'm like a kid in a candy store. Who wouldn't want to be at the biggest automotive show?
SEMA is a must-attend event and on so many gearheads' bucket lists for a very good reason.
I see this really simply, that this is about the whole customer experience. I mean, they want to make it theirs, and it's this really symbiotic relationship. We really have a very close relationship that I think one can't really exist without the other. One's strong, then both are strong.
So SEMA is a lot of different things when you're talking about the show. What you're dealing with is the single largest gathering of performance brands and performance accessory brands.
Our involvement with SEMA has really translated to a ton of new business for Redline in a number of ways. We've partnered with other SEMA member companies to create new innovation and to have collaborations.
There's no other place to meet and see customers, promote your products than the SEMA Show.
Yeah, Battle of the Builders is a networking place 100%. You're gonna meet like-minded people, you're gonna meet hard-working people, and you're gonna meet the best builders in the entire world.
It's really kind of like the pinnacle of, I guess, young guys showing off what they can do.
Essentially, it's the best of the best that show up here to showcase your work amongst other people that are in the industry, and you all have the same passion. And we're showcasing it all in one spot.
Just won the Battle of the Builders, went from 40 to 12 to 4, and Classic Car Studio came out as the winner.
SEMA Show, let's send it!